I hope you guys had fun building out that tasks application in this section. I just want to spend a couple of minutes here talking about why we did this. So as I said at the beginning of this course, one of the things that I wanted to do is remind everyone just how complex building out these types of applications can be. So we built this very simple task application, and as you can see, we're really building out two sides of an application, the back end using Spring Boot, the front end using Angular, and it's not always as easy just to tie the two together. We're kind of molding these two applications together. They need to work well with each other. And so we built this very simple app, and we didn't even start talking about security, user management, and complex data models. I mean, there's so much, as you already know, that go into building big enterprise applications, or even normal applications for that matter. So this was just to stress the fact what it takes to build these applications without something like JHipster. And now going forward, we're going to talk about JHipster and what it can do for you as far as productivity goes, and how we can really scaffold out these applications and give us a real big jump start on building them out. So I hope you enjoyed this section, but let's start moving on and get a little more productive.